No, you didn't just say that, girl. No, you didn't. He done ripped you a new one. Girl, you gonna learn today. It's so stupid to be fighting over this stuff. Oh my gosh. You ain't even got kids to go here. Why are you chiming in? My entertainment for the day. Oh, Lord, she didn't. Her grandma done got on here. Hello.
Girl, have you been on Facebook today? Oh my gosh. You know that page that everybody gets on and they argue all the time? Get your popcorn out. Oh, and get your Coca-Cola too with a straw. Because it got good today.
Girl, you know I've been on it all day. What are they even fighting for anyways? So stupid.
Yeah, I know.